Any crunch will improve your abs. The technique that I like to aim for when talking about abs is that when you do a crunch, when you're going, like, let's say elbow towards knees, which is generally the idea in any variation of crunch, if you take about 10 seconds to exhale as you do it, just one inhale, and then as you crunch forward, you're exhaling for that 10 seconds, even counting, the burn comes faster. So you should only be able to do about 10 crunches. Another tip for that is to aim to crunch your shoulder towards your hips. Rather than elbows towards knees, you're contracting your abs and squeezing your ribs towards your hips, your chest towards your hips, your shoulders towards your hips, but you're trying to crunch towards there rather than the knees. And with that said, if using those techniques, the standard like regular crunch, I call it a breathing crunch, is definitely the best. And just to add one little piece is that there's like 4 major parts of the abs, so there is no one particular one. So like bicycle crunch for obliques and middle, breathing crunch, the traditional one for the top, and then for the lower abdominal muscles would be like feet hanging from a bench, leg raises.